breath is life. It is the most fundamental act we perform. From our first breath to our last, it sustains us. Every cell in our body craves it. Without breath, we simply cease to exist. Yet, how often do we truly acknowledge this miraculous gift? We go about our days breathing unconsciously, taking it for granted. But the breath is more than just survival. It is a powerful tool, a key to unlocking hidden potential within us. When we become aware of our breath, we tap into a wellspring of energy. This energy flows through us, revitalizing and rejuvenating. It is the life force itself, coursing through our veins. Take a moment now to simply breathe. Feel the air entering your nostrils, expanding your chest. Notice the gentle rhythm of each inhale and exhale. This is the power of your breath. Our brains are incredible organs capable of astonishing feats. They process information, store memories, and shape our reality. But the brain, like any other organ, needs fuel. And its primary source of fuel is oxygen. With each inhale, we deliver a fresh supply of oxygen to the brain. This oxygen fuels the millions of neurons that fire constantly, allowing us to think, feel, and experience the world around us. Without sufficient oxygen, our brains become sluggish, our thinking clouded. Imagine a roaring fire. Oxygen is like the air that keeps the flames burning bright. Without it, the fire dwindles and dies. Similarly, our brains need a constant supply of oxygen to function at their peak. Deep, conscious breathing ensures that our brains receive the optimal amount of oxygen they need. This leads to enhanced clarity, improved focus, and increased mental energy. We all have dreams, aspirations, and desires. These dreams are the seeds of our future, the visions that guide us towards a life filled with purpose and fulfillment. But sometimes these dreams can feel distant, out of reach. They may seem like stars in the night sky, beautiful yet far away, almost untouchable. This is where the power of manifestation comes in. Manifestation is the process of turning our desires into reality. It's about harnessing the energy of our thoughts and emotions to create the life we envision. And the breath plays a crucial role in this process. The law of assumption states that what we believe to be true becomes our reality. By using our breath, we can anchor these beliefs deep within us. Our thoughts and feelings emit energy, and this energy attracts like energy back to us. This is the essence of the law of attraction, where our inner world shapes our outer experiences. When we align our thoughts, feelings, and actions with our desires, we create the conditions for those desires to manifest. It's about living as if our dreams are already a reality, feeling the joy and gratitude as if they have already come true. Breath is the bridge between our inner world of thoughts and emotions and the outer world of manifestation. It connects the intangible with the tangible, the unseen with the seen. It is the conduit through which we can direct our energy and bring our dreams to life. By focusing on our breath, we can center ourselves, clear our minds, and channel our energy towards our goals. By consciously breathing into our desires, we infuse them with life force energy. This life force, or prana, is the vital energy that animates all living things. It is the essence of life itself. We signal to the universe that we are ready to receive them. We open ourselves up to the infinite possibilities that the universe has to offer, trusting that our dreams are on their way to becoming our reality. Journaling and creating vision boards are powerful tools that can help us clarify our desires and keep our focus on our goals. By putting our dreams on paper, we give them form and substance. Practicing gratitude is another key element in the manifestation process. When we express gratitude for what we have and for what is yet to come, we align ourselves with the energy of abundance. Visualization is a powerful technique that allows us to see our dreams as if they are already happening. By vividly imagining our desired outcomes, We create a mental blueprint that guides our actions and decisions. Remember, the breath is your ally in this journey. Each breath you take is a step closer to your dreams. Breathe deeply, believe wholeheartedly, and watch as your dreams come to life. Section 4. The inhale, hold, exhale, a symphony of manifestation. There is a specific breathing technique that is particularly powerful for manifestation. This technique is not just about breathing, it's about connecting with the universe on a deeper level. It's about aligning your inner energy with the cosmic forces that govern our reality. It is deceptively simple, yet incredibly effective. Many people underestimate the power of breath, but when done with intention, it can be a transformative practice. It involves a conscious awareness of each phase of the breath, the inhale, the hold, and the exhale. Each phase has its own significance and purpose in the manifestation process. 1. Inhale. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose. As you draw in the breath, imagine pulling in the energy of the universe, filling your body with light and possibility. As you inhale, visualize your desire as if it is already happening. See it clearly in your mind's eye, as if it is a scene from your life. The more vivid the visualization, the more powerful the manifestation. Feel the joy, gratitude, and excitement of having it in your life. Emotions are a key component in the manifestation process. The stronger the emotion, the stronger the signal you send out to the universe. 2. Hold your breath for a few seconds. This pause is crucial as it allows the energy to settle and solidify within you. During this hold, imagine your desire solidifying, taking shape in the universe. See it becoming more real, more tangible, as if it is being crafted by the hands of the cosmos. 3. Exhale. Slowly exhale through your mouth, releasing any tension or doubt. Let go of any resistance or negative thoughts that may hinder the manifestation process. Trust that the universe is working to bring your desire to fruition. Have faith in the process and know that your intention has been set into motion. Repeat this cycle several times, focusing on the feeling of your desire manifesting. With each repetition, you strengthen your connection to the universe and enhance the power of your manifestation. This practice, when done regularly, can bring profound changes to your life, aligning you with your highest potential and the infinite possibilities of the cosmos. Section 5. Thoughts, Feelings, Breath, a Harmonious Dance. In this section, we delve into the profound connection between our mental state, emotional well-being, and the rhythm of our breath. Our thoughts, feelings, and breath are intricately connected. They form a delicate interplay that shapes our overall experience of life. When we understand this connection, we can harness it to create a more balanced and harmonious existence. When we are stressed or anxious, our breath becomes shallow and rapid. This is a natural response of our body to perceived threats, activating the fight or flight response. However, this state, if prolonged, can lead to chronic stress and various health issues. Conversely, when we are calm and relaxed, our breath is deep and even. This state activates the body's natural relaxation response, promoting healing and well-being. Deep, rhythmic breathing signals to our body that it is safe, allowing us to enter a state of rest and recovery. By consciously controlling our breath, we can influence our thoughts and feelings. This practice, often referred to as breath work, is a powerful tool for managing stress, enhancing focus, and cultivating emotional resilience. The inhale, hold, exhale technique described earlier is particularly effective in creating a state of inner harmony. This method involves taking a deep breath in, holding it for a few moments, and then exhaling slowly. Each phase of this technique serves a unique purpose in balancing our nervous system. The inhale stimulates the sympathetic nervous system, energizing the body and mind. This phase prepares us for action, filling us with vitality and alertness, It is the breath of life invigorating every cell in our body. The hold allows us to pause, to become present and aware of our thoughts and feelings. In this stillness, we can observe our inner landscape without judgment, gaining insights into our emotional state and mental patterns. And the exhale activates the parasympathetic nervous system, inducing a state of relaxation and peace. This phase helps us release tension and let go of stress, bringing a sense of calm and tranquility to our entire being. This rhythmic dance between the inhale, hold, and exhale creates a powerful alignment within us. It is a dynamic process that harmonizes our physical, mental, and emotional states, fostering a deep sense of inner peace and balance. It brings our thoughts, feelings, and breath into harmony, creating the ideal conditions for manifestation. When we are in this state of alignment, we are more attuned to our true desires and can manifest them with greater ease and clarity. This harmonious dance is not just a practice, but a way of life, guiding us towards a more fulfilled and balanced existence.